Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking an in-depth look at this special arrival that has landed here at Thompson Leisure, and that is our Hymer B ML I 790 Blackline Edition, one of Hymer's most premium integrated motorhomes. First impressions count, and the Blackline Edition really does make that statement. We've got the crystal silver metallic paint. At the front here, we've got our premium LED headlight, which is part of the Blackline packaging. You've got the all-season tyres with your gloss black alloys, which we'll take a look at here. You've got your black accents with your Blackline Edition graphics, which really just stands out on the road. So this vehicle is a 5-berth, and we've also got our 5 seat belts. Along the side here is our black Soul Omnistrator awning. We've got our awning strip, which is the full length of the awning as well. We've got a huge garage at the back here, which we'll take a look into in a moment. You've got a shower in there as well. Your gloss black alloys at the side. So the 790 is 7.89 metres in length. The clue is in the name. Now towards the back, we've got our reverse camera system that's built into the MBUX infotainment system in the cab. You've got your tow bar at the back here, and then you've got a huge garage. So this is actually operated by your central lock-in from the key. And as you can see, you've got ample storage in there. You've got your shower point, and then you've got your external 3-pin sockets. That's your little kit for the extra berth kit to make up your 5th kit as well. Making our way around to the other side of the Hymer, we have double access to our garage. In case the storage in the garage wasn't big enough, we've got our double floor storage. That's accessible from the interior and of course outside. And just beside that is where our gas containers are kept. Now, we do have electric welcome steps at both the driver and the passenger side, so that's a nice additional touch to the vehicle as well. Stepping inside, the Blackline Edition continues to impress. So we're up here in the cab. We're built on, of course, the prestigious Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. You've got the 9G-tronic automatic gearbox, and it's powered by an 170 brake horsepower engine. We do have all the gadgets up here. We've got our full leather upholstery in the driver and passenger seat. These are both heated. You've got your adaptive cruise control built in here, all your safety features, your traffic sign recognition. Now onto the MBUX infotainment system. That is where your reversing camera is housed, as I was saying earlier. As well as that, you've got your built-in sat-nav, as well as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity and DAB radio. So stepping into the living space, you'll find a very open plan and comfortable setup. We've got our 5 seat belts, so 2 of these are here, and then you've got the additional 5th seat belt there if you need it as well. Our furniture fittings are finished in a grand oak, and as you can see, it is just so luxurious, and the ambient lighting is absolutely stunning throughout. We've got our 32-inch smart TV. Now that's pressed up at the moment. You can fold that away whenever it's not in use. And you've also got your Bluetooth as well as your speakers throughout the vehicle. So what sets the Hymer Blackline apart is the self-sufficiency tech that comes with this vehicle. We've got our solar panels with the MPPT controllers. We've got our built-in 5G Wi-Fi as well. Now behind me is our Hymer Connect control panel. So everything is so accessible with the touch of your fingers there. You've got the Hymer Connect systems with the smart level displays. So wherever you're on a weekend break or long adventure, you've got all the comfort and control, which is so easily accessible. Beside that is your Aldi. So you've got the top of the range heating system in this van. So we're stepping into a fully equipped kitchen. Starting off to the right of me is our 153 litre fridge on the double hinge doors. So you can open it from both sides, which is great. Beside that is your storage. So you do have heaps of storage, which is brilliant. And I just love that little feature there. You do have the soft closed doors throughout as well. Let's take a quick look into some of the cupboards. And then you've got ample worktop space there with your sink. And another great feature is the fact that we do have an oven and grill with the Hymer, which isn't too common. And you've got the 3-ring gas hobs. You've got USB points just on the wall as well as your 3-pin sockets. We're at the back now into the bedroom area, so our bathroom is situated here. Now this combines a clever use of space as well as your quality fittings. You've got plenty of ventilation back here with your skylights and your roof lights. You've got an absolutely huge shower, as you can see. Now what's nice is there's no wheel arch in the way there, so you've got good floor space. Behind me is the toilet. So again, you've got ample space in there and you've got plenty of storage. And look at that lovely lighting by the mirror to get ready in the morning or the evenings. This door here just closes off the living space, so you can close that back there. So at the back is our huge island bed. We've got the cold foam mattress. Now this is set up for your daytime layout. You can pull that down. You've also got chests of drawers underneath there, so it is a good use of space, and of course your huge garage is under there as well. We've got our wardrobes at either side, and then you've got your ambient lighting just above the bed. Now at the other side you can't see right now, but you've got your Alphatronics smart TV set up there too. Alrighty, so look at this for a bed setup. This is your over the cab pull down bed, and as you can see you've got a huge double bed there. Now what is quite unique about this vehicle is the fact that you can pull out the little slats, and as you can see there's the insert cushions. So if you're sharing with friends or you fell out that night, then this is the perfect resolution for that. You've got your island bed at the back, and then this table collapses down and makes up into your extra berth. So guys, that was a walk through our Hymer B ML I 790. Hopefully you've enjoyed. Don't forget to give us a wee like and a follow, and get down to see this vehicle quickly, as I'm sure you can see it's stunning and it won't sit around for long. Full details of the specification can be seen on our website, and if you have any queries or questions, don't hesitate to give us a wee call in the sales team here at 028 92 693 999. Thank you.